Okay. Hello, Dr. John Bush. I'm student KS Tunan from the Medical Faculty, Department of Medical Microbiology and Clinical Microbiology, a student of Research Method and Ethics. And my topic today is challenges of undergraduate education in science. Looking at the overview of this chapter will basically be looking at the statement of the program, the background. So the background of my study. Near East medical and clinical microbiology students sometimes face challenges in conducting research. Students of the department are attached to a single supervisor, and some of the tutors, they have various experience in research exposure. The quality of the research product as a result, the supervisor process, it seems to be one of the challenging of the students of the department. So it's at the backdrop of this that we decide to conduct this study. The objective of this study is to identify the challenges of undergraduate research in science to determine how these studies can be solved and characterize these challenges faced by undergraduate students in order to find proper remedy to these challenges. My research question: what challenge do undergraduate students experience in conducting research? Number two, how do these challenges affect the quality of student research projects? Number three, how these challenges can be overcome in a bid to raise standard and quality research and supervision. The significance of the study: the research project undertaken at bachelor science level clearly indicate the quality of good academic work being carried on by the students of Near East University, the supervision of the student led by their supervisors of their various departments. For my research methodology, the research is purely based on triangular methodology. It deals with research designs, which is made of case study, research designs, and document analysis. The use of survey research design has always been preferred because it's the most appropriate design used in participating member opinions, which means we are sorting opinions and we are giving our questionnaires. The methods and the procedures. The population of the current study comprises of bachelor student, final year student that will look at bachelor student of science project. A questionnaire with both closed and open-minded section was distributed to random student sample of 50 students studying at Near East. And random questionnaire, this random sample, it become mechanical because the study are being used over 50 registered students that will be used as a case study. So for the university open survey, the present survey is to investigate that is trying to discover a few reasons that students are faced with more challenges while they are doing their research. That's the university student open survey. The discussion and findings. Analysis of the data will indicate that diverse tutor and student-related challenges in the supervision of research project, which could militate against the quality research submitted by bachelor student at Near East University. So a result analysis on the state of the data. The discussion in the findings is guided by the following question. One, how is Bachelor of Science student at the Near East University? Where is his or her characteristics? Two, how does tutor-related challenges in the supervision of student research project affect the student of science, the research project at Near East University? So for table one, I'm using table because there was a questionnaire given out to students. So I'm using table to characterize my research. Table one is my finding is divided into two: tutor-related challenges, student-related challenges, and supervision-related challenges. For tutor-related challenges, in my table I got a challenge and a percentage rank of tutor-related challenges. So I'll be dealing with my first one. I'll be dealing with tutor-related challenges. So few for the challenges, too few meetings with the students is 60%. Failure to return work promptly by the students is 40%. Absent from work is 60%. Lack of research experience, 20%. Lack of research skill is 20%. So from this table, what we got in our findings? In our findings, we show a mix of tutor-related challenges faced by undergraduate students conducting research. Too few students with meeting, the absence of the work of supervisor, which rank the highest, they were followed by the failure to retain work Promptly 40% lack of research experience by the student, 20% a lack of research skill, 20%. Table 2 is student-related challenges being experienced by undergraduate students in conducting in research. And these challenges are lack of time, 80%, lack of money, 60%, lack of library resources, 60%, lack of commitment and motivation to do the research, 0%, and family problem or commitment, 80%. One finding in this table is that it shows that most of the students indicate a lack of time, which is 80%, lack of money, 80%, family problem and commitment, 80% lack of library resources are the challenges of great concern to undergraduate students which experience in conducting our research. And last but not the least, my final is institution-related challenges. Institution-related challenges that students experience in conducting our research. Lack of internet facilities, 80%. Lack of research-related courses is 80%. Lack of library resources, 80%. Lack of computer literacy is 80%. Lack of workshops, 80%. So in this table, my finding is the case of the table indicate that majority of the study of undergraduate students perceive that lack of facility, 80%, lack of research-related courses, 80%, lack of resources, 80%, lack of computer literacy, 80%, lack of workshop, 80%. These findings, coupled with other previous research findings, are constrained by institutional-related challenges that research undergraduate students are faced with while performing their research project. Thank you. Have a nice day, sir.